Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to find and view your profile photo on the WhatsApp app for PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to access your profile picture. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to proceed. Once the app is up and running, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. Next, click on Settings from this menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once inside the Settings menu, locate and select the Profile option. This section contains all the details about your account, including your profile picture. Now, click on your profile photo displayed within the Profile section. A list of options will appear. From these, choose View Image. This will open your profile photo in a larger view, allowing you to see it in full detail. And that's it. You've successfully found and viewed your profile photo on WhatsApp for PC. This straightforward process ensures you can easily access and manage your profile picture whenever needed. Thank you for following along.